My name is Kashyap. I am from Purnia, Bihar. I did my BTech from ITR Bhubaneswar. But what happened? No, after doing my BTech, I got placed in Capgemini and they didn't give me my offer. To get myself more like sharp in the Java and all things, I just joined JSpiders. I got to know about this place online. So I came, I joined, and yeah, everything went well. Talking about the environment in JSpiders, it's like the best you can ever get. The teachers, everyone, the HRs, everyone is like too helpful, too friendly, like they'll help you in every aspect. Talking about the trainer, when the session started, it was like Ciceras and Uday with the Java thing. They were like the best, like irreplaceable. Nobody can replace them in the core things. And getting advanced thing, then came Uday Raghu sir. Raghu sir came with the programming and data structures. It was the best. Due to them, like they three are the role model because of whom I just started doing programming and I just got good and coding. Then talking about advanced Java thing, Vivek sir came, Vivek sir, Sai sir and Raju sir, like all those three were Hibernate, Spring Boot were the best because of them. Them only, it's going very smooth, very fine. Thank you so much.